Good morning to one and all. Children, in the previous class, we were doing the lesson, The Sound of Music, and we have completed part 1 and we have started part 2, The Sehnai of Bismillah Khan. So today we are going to continue with the same chapter. Let's try to finish page number 23, 8. Have a look. Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performances both in India and abroad. His first trip abroad was to Afghanistan, where King Jahir Shah was so taken in by the maestro that he gifted his priceless Persian carpets and other souvenirs. Here, taken in by means attracted or charmed by. Souvenirs means things given in memory of a place, person or event. So here children, Bismillah Khan, he has given memorable, unforgettable performances in India also and out of India, that is abroad. So his first trip to abroad out of India was to Afghanistan. So here in Afghanistan, when he performed, when he performed his first performance, King Jahir Shah, he was much attracted and he liked the performance of Bismillah Khan, and he gifted him priceless Persian carpet, okay, and other souvenirs, means other many memory gift, like give memory of a place, person or event. Not only the priceless Persian carpet, but he has also given other memory of a place, person or event. So here his first trip abroad and he performed at Afghanistan, and his performance was very much successful and was liked by King Jahir Shah. So the king of Afghanistan was not the only one to be fascinated with Bismillah music. Film director Vijay Bhatt was so impressed after hearing Bismillah play at the festival that he named a film after the instrument called Gunj Uthi Sehnai. So here children, not only King Jahir Shah, but the other person was who? The film director Vijay Bhatt. Okay, he was also so much impressed. He liked the performance of Bismillah Khan that he has named his film after the instrument. Okay, and the name of the film is Gunj Uthi Sehnai. Please turn over to next page. The film was a hit, and one of Bismillah Khan's composition, Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. So the film becomes so much hit, and here one of Bismillah Khan, he composed that the name of the song is Dil Ka Khilona Hai Toot Gaya. Okay, so that turned out to be a nationwide chartbuster. So when we used to watch the film, yes or no, every Friday one new film used to be released in India. But now due to the pandemic, due to lockdown, there is not so much of film, and it is not released on Friday. Whenever they found the date fixed, they used to release. Not so much, 2 or 3 has been released. But before the pandemic, every Friday new film used to be released. So here this film got a nationwide chartbuster. Despite this huge success in the celluloid world, Bismillah Khan ventures in film music were limited to 2. Vijay Bhatt's Gunj Uthi Sehnai and Bikram Srinivas Kannada venture Sanadhi Apanna. I just can't come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world, he say with emphasis. Here, celluloid means old-fashioned way of referring to films, and venture means project. They often involve risks. Okay, project that often involve risks. So here, though this got a nationwide, Okay, his song got Dil Ka Khilona, Hai Toot Gaya become a chart buster and successful. Bismillah Khan's venture in film. Okay, his venture in film music were limited. That means not much. Only to two. That is to Vijay Bhatt's Gun Chutti Sainai and Vikram Srinivas Kannada venture. That is Sanadhi Appanna. He said that he cannot come to terms with the artificially and glamour of the film world, because here they have to promote the risks. Okay, the risks, they have to promote the risks, they have to promote the risks of their life. So for that reason he have very limited of films, that is with Vijay Bhatt's Gun Chutti Sainai and Vikram Srinivas Kannada venture, that is Sanadhi Appanna. Awards and recognitions came thick and fast. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. So here award and fame become a recognition, and it become fast, and so much of award he has got. So here Bismillah Khan also, he became the first Indian who was to be invited to perform at the prestigious Lincoln Center Hall in the United States of America. He also took part in the World Exposition in Montreal, in the Cannes Art Festival, and in the Osaka Trade Fair. So here he was the Indian who also took part in the World Expositions, that is in Montreal, in the Cannes Art Festival, and in the Osaka Trade Fair. So well known did he become internationally that an auditorium in Tehran was named after him, Tahar Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan. So he became so much famous, okay, and he become not only in India but out of India, internationally he became so much famous that an auditorium that is in Tehran was named after him, and the name of that auditorium is Tahar Mosque Ustad Bismillah Khan. National award like the Padma Shri, the Padma Bhushans, and the Padma Vibhushans were conferred on him. So he also got the national award, Padma Shri award, Padma Bhushan, and the Padma Vibhushans were the award he got. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award. So in the year 2001, he also got the award of the highest civilian award, India's highest civilian award, the Bharat Ratna. Okay, with the coveted award resting on his chest and his eyes glinting with rare happiness, he said, "All I would like to say is teach your children music. This is the Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the West is now coming to learn our music." So here coveted means much desired. So after he was awarded with the India's highest civilian award, that is the Bharat Ratna award, he became so much excited, okay, so much happy, high with the chest and eyes gleaming. He speak out in a speech and he said that all he want to say is that you should teach your children music. India, that means Hindustan, is the richest tradition in music, and even the Western world, that is West world also, they are learning music by looking at us. In spite of having trouble all over the world, Khan Sahib, as he is fondly called, is exceedingly fond of Banaras and Dumaron, and they remain for him the most wonderful town of the world. So here, in spite he have trouble many places in the world, okay, this Bismillah Khan is also known as Khan Sahib. So Khan Sahib, he is much fond of two town. The name of the town is Banaras and Dumaron. Okay, that become he is one of the most wonderful town and favorite town of the world. A student of his once wanted him to head a Sehnai school in the USA, and the student promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temple there. But Khan Sahab asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well. So a student that is from USA, he asks Bismillah Khan to recreate, to open a school, a music of a school in the USA. Okay, and the student also promised that he will make the atmosphere like Banaras. Okay, he will make the temple, temple same like Banaras. But at that time, Khan Sahab asked him that will it be possible that you can transport the river Ganga as well? Though you have said that you will recreate the atmosphere of Banaras, you will make the temple there, but will it be possible that you transport Ganga as well? Later he is remembered to have said, that is why whenever I am in foreign country, I keep yearning to see Hindustan. While in Mumbai, I think of only Banaras and the holy Ganga, and while in Banaras, I miss the unique Matha of Dumaran. So he said, well, I used to travel out of India, that is maybe in USA or maybe in somewhere else. At the time, he always remember, though he traveled to foreign country, but he always yearn, he long, he miss Hindustan. Okay, he miss Hindustan. And while he used to be in Mumbai, he think of only Banaras and the holy Ganga. And while he used to be in the Banaras, he missed the unique Matha of Dumaron. Okay. Then, Ustad Bismillah Khan's life is a perfect example of the rich cultural heritage of India, one that effortlessly accepts that a devout Muslim like him can very naturally play the Sehnai every morning at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. Devout means believing strongly in religion and obeying its laws and following its practices. So here, Ustad Bismillah Khan is one of the perfect and famous example of the rich cultural heritage of India, okay, who effortlessly accept being a Muslim, he strongly accept and he play the natural holy tune of his Sehnai every morning, where at the Kashi Vishwanath temple. So here I would like to say a few things about we Hindu people, because God has given us everything and we never thank God whatever we get, whatever He has given us. Children, we should be thankful to God and we should thank God. God didn't ask you to give you gold, though God didn't ask you to give you diamond. But every morning when you wake up, just stay in your bed and pray to God and say, thank you God for showing us this day. Then again in the evening when you are going to sleep at night during your bedtime, so as you step in your bed, sit in your bed and pray, God, thank you for the whole day for protecting me from every kind of danger, and please help me the whole night and I can see morning. So this much only, nothing God want. We used to forget, and you should never blame one another religion. Okay, every religion, we should love every religion. Though you may hate my religion, but no way, because religion is religion and you must respect, love one another religion. So Ustad Bismillah Khan passed away on 21st of August 2006, okay, at the age of 90 after a prolonged illness, that means long illness. He has given a state funeral and the government of India declared one day of national mourning. So he was given a state funeral. That means when a famous person died, what we used to do? You have seen, yes or no? You have watched in the TV also. So we used to give a state funeral, and the government of India also declared that day as a national mourning day. So here, up to here, you are clear maybe. So today we have completed the chapter. So any problem, you can get back to me. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.